it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that. And behind me is the human library I just finished about a week ago. But I thought dogs needed something special too, so follow me. I decided to make a little version for the puppies as well. And over here is their little version, just right across the way. Now this one is down at ground level for the little guys to enjoy. It has the same little elements on the side of it though. I made a little Frank Lloyd Wright styling to it, and a little bone up top. And it just simply says, fetch one and leave one. And the fun thing is that my buddies Dan and Doug helped me put this big stake in the ground, which was not easy. And then also, I want to thank my friend Phil of American Sign by Tomorrow. They actually made these little feet for me as well. But anyway, I've got library books over in the library thing, and I've got little library books for the doggies here. So we've got big books, we got medium-sized books, we got small books, we got a whole bunch of books. So the dogs can fetch all they like and return all they like. This is my contribution once again to my neighborhood. It's fun doing things like this, and I hope you enjoyed me putting it together. It's a lot of fun making it for the neighborhood. We'll see you next time. Bye.